once again, welcome back to my channel. It's Reba Hassin. So in this episode, I'm going to show you and make a finger toy at home in one step. So let's get started. So this is the part 1 of the finger toys. So we need balloon and we need a clay. So there's a vase clay. I made a girl, but when I trying to open the all colors and mix it, so I'm going to mix it up. So yeah, so I'm going to mix it up all the clay. So yeah, I'm going to mix it up. So in this video I'm not going to show all the finger toys because I'm going to make the parts of it. So this is the part 1 of the finger toys. So yeah, wait till last part guys, because in the last part I'm going to show you my all DIY finger toys. So yeah, I'm going to mix it up. So yeah, thank you for 45 subscribers. We are so near to hit 50 subscribers. So if you do not subscribe to my channel, subscribe now. So I'm going to take the cylinder shape container. So I can see her. So if you have cylinder shape container, so put the balloon into it and put the clay. It will be so easy to put it. Or you do not have the cylinder shape container, so I will show you how to put the clay inside it. So yeah, so this those who do not have the cylinder shape containers, so many of them do not have cylinder shape containers, so I'm going to show you. So we should expand the balloon and we should take a little bit and some clay, some amount of clay, not full. So yeah, where you can see her, and press it up inside so that clay will be go fast and easily. So yeah, guys, now we should shape it up. So I'm going to put the amount of parts that are fell down. So yeah, it's done. So I'm going to roll it up circle shape. So yeah, it's done guys, where I can see her. So yeah, now we should tie the balloon off. I'm so happy that we have 45 subscribers. Thank you for all the 45 subscribers. So yeah guys, it's done, where I can see her. So our finger toy part 1 is ready. So this is a finger toy part 1. So as I said, I will do more parts, so watch it that also. So I can see her, and in the last part I will show you all my finger toys, unbox all my finger toys. So yeah, so I'm going to again roll it up. So it's very easy to shape it up guys. We can shape any shapes we want. So here is a circle shape, and we can do many shapes we want. And it's too stretchy, I can see here. It will be like relaxing ourselves when we are tired. Yeah, we can hope you all enjoyed this video guys. How is it? Comment me on the comment section, and like this video and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell that you guys will notify my newly posted videos like this guys. So yeah, our finger toy is ready guys. So post as soon as possible. So part 2, wait till part 2 guys. So yeah, now I'm going to show you so how stretchy this is. See guys, it's so stretchy. I loved it.